Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Bagana M500 Tattoo Stencil Printer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, highlight features or overview summary are include. Upgraded M500 Tattoo Stencil Printer. Bagana M500 wireless tattoo stencil printer is tailored for tattoo beginners, professionals, and temporary tattoo enthusiasts. Say goodbye to tedious drawing steps. You can use it to print your favorite patterns and transfer them to your skin for tattoos. Focus on your art and easily create high-quality temporary or permanent tattoos. Pro-grade thermal printing. M500 Bluetooth tattoo printer uses advanced thermal technology to achieve high-quality line printing, realistic printing, and large-area shadow printing, enhancing tattoo accuracy and detail. Say goodbye to ink clogs and cleaning hassles, streamline the process for tattooing and focus on creating professional-level tattoo art. Professional Tattoo Design App. Our powerful tattoo printer app makes the tattooing process even simpler and more enjoyable. You can easily print your favorite pattern with just one click. With the functions of size adjustment, sketchboard mode, add multiple, grid crop, 3D effect display and so on, you can easy to edit, add, adjust, and output pattern as you need. Portable Tattoo Stencil Printer. Designed to be stylish, compact and lightweight, M500 Thermal Tattoo Printer measures 12.8 x 3 x 1.8 inches and weighs 1.48 pounds, making it easy to carry and saving space. With built-in 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, you can print up to 300 pages images on a single charge, ensuring that you can create tattoos anytime, anywhere. Universal compatibility. The M500 Tattoo Template Printer is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS devices, and can seamlessly print by connecting to a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth or to a PC via USB. And the smart screen displays real-time printer status, making your tattoo creation more convenient and flexible. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.